Hi everyone, this side Shilpa Mewada. In today's video, I will show you how to authorize Copedo with a Salesforce or how to connect it with GitHub and how to deploy metadata. So as you can see on my screen, I have opened the Copedo sign up page. So I will add this link in my description. So you just need to open it and click on login with Salesforce org. Just select the username. It is loading. After that, it will open the Copedo interface. Now let's quickly understand the interface. At the top, you can see the different tabs. And when you click on this profile icon and click on the account setting, and you can see the account related information. And I click on this home. So this is the dashboard where you can see all the activities like successful and failed deployments. And this CI jobs we are using for automation and GitHub integration, and this work item will help us to track tasks or user stories. And this deployments, from here we create and manage deployments. Here you can see the organization, the default org that I have logged in. It is showing Mewada Shilpa. And here we can add multiple Salesforce accounts. We can add GitHub accounts. Now I will show you how we can add GitHub account. Just click on this add organization. Now just select the type GitHub and give the name GitHub QA repo. Just click on this authorize. It will redirect to the GitHub login page. Sign in. Authorize. It will take some time to authorize. Here you can see the pop-up. Authorize successful. Now click on organization. Here you can see that your GitHub account is authorized. Now I want to deploy some metadata on GitHub. So click on CI jobs. Click on create your first CI job. Give the title GitHub QA sync. Select the source org, default org, and the target org is GitHub QA repo. Here you can select the branch. Right now I have only one branch. And if you have a master and you have created a custom branch, so just need to refresh this one, and it is showing the error. You have not selected a repository for your Git org. Please edit your Git org and select a repository. Okay. So go to the organization, click on organization, open this GitHub QA repo, and here you can see the Git repo URL. Here I did not select the repository. Because of that, I was getting that error. Please select that repo URL. Just refresh this one. After that, you will see inside the dropdown, there are multiple GitHub repo. So what I will do, I will create one empty repo. Just sign in. Click on plus icon, click new repository. Give the repo name GitHub to org sync. Just scroll down, choose visibility public, turn this readme toggle, and just click on this create repository. Here you can see that right now it is an empty repo. Now go back to Copedo and just refresh this one. Click on select repository. Select that repo GitHub to org sync that I have created. After that, here you can see that only main branch is here, no another branch. Just click on that reauthorize. Authorized successfully. Go back to CI jobs. Create your first CI job. Give the title GitHub QA repo sync. And select the source org, default org, and select the target org is GitHub QA repo. Here you can select the branch. When you click on this drop down, if your repo contain multiple branches, so here it will show all the branches. After that, inside the actions, select commit to Git. And in schedule section, here you can schedule your CI jobs as per your requirement. Right now I'm choosing none. Just click on this save. Here you can add your component. When you click on that add component, in the drop down here, you can select your Apex class, triggers, apps, objects. Right now I'm selecting objects and child component. Here you can see the filter. Based on the filter, you can filter your custom objects and fields. In this type, you can select your custom object setting and validation rules and filters. Like I'm selecting custom object and setting, and just select this custom object, test Copedo deployment. And now when I click on this all, and I can search by contain like Copedo. Here you can see that it is showing the field, custom fields. Just select this one. After that, you can click on this component select. Here you can see all these selected components. Now just click on this run button and commit the changes on GitHub. So when you click on that, it will send the request on GitHub. It is showing the error like I need a license. Okay. Now click on the profile, click on account setting. Here you can see the license type is free. Now just click on this start essential plus trial and just click on this free trial. It will take some time to update your license. Now you are able to deploy your metadata on GitHub. And just select version control with Git. Click on the CI jobs. Here you can see my GitHub QA repo. Just click on that. Now click on again this run button. After that, you can see that it is processing. Now you can see the build status is succeed. Open the GitHub. Now here you can see the request, compare and pull request. Just click on that compare and pull request. Here you can add your description and just clicking on create pull request. Now click on that merge pull request and click on confirm merge. Now go back to the repo. Here you can see the object that I have added. Here you can see the test Copedo deployment object. Just open this. Here you can see the fields. Just Control F, email, like Copedo test email. So in this way, we can deploy our Salesforce metadata on GitHub. Thank you for watching.